Please be seated. We all must really thank Nishad Khan and Sukhvinder Singh, both of them, very much for giving us such a great joy, entertaining our spirit. Today I was reminded of another great musicians in India who played before me Yaman Raga. And you see, we must say that today is Sri Ganesha's birthday we are celebrating here. And this is the first raga all the musicians have to learn. Yaman Rag is the first rag they all have to learn. This is the Sri Ganesh, as they say. Sri Ganesh of the music starts with Yaman Raga. So it was very appropriate to play this raga here. This rag, as I was telling you, but Parveen Sultana also sang before. She's a very great artist, I must say. And normally people said that she becomes very shrill or something, but no, she was excellent. She sings so well and she's such a fast-moving person, Parveen Sultana. But that day it happened that her harmonium player, I know her because she was working in Khadi Bhandar. So the harmonium player came and asked me, what have you done to this lady? After every 5 minutes she shouts at me normally. But today, what have you done? What magic you have created? That she was so silent and so beautifully singing and she also didn't become that shrillness. Another brother of mine who is a great connoisseur, he said, I've never heard this woman singing so beautifully Rag Yaman. And then one gentleman from there came, shouted at her that you sing a particular ghazal, which may be little romantic side or whatever it is. She said, do you know before whom am I singing? How could you ask such a thing? But I was amazed at her. She said, such a thing I can't sing before this. So, in the music also, when they are playing, I think they go into that realm of purity, where they cannot stand anything impure or stupid. This I was so surprised at her playing just a Yaman Raga, which is the basic, the child, the innocence of music. Because the first rag you learn is this. And that, as he sang, was Guru bina kaise guna gaye. Guru na mane to guna nahi aave. Is the one where they say that without the Guru, how can we get any virtues within us? How can we get any qualities within us? And this is the first thing they have to learn, that you have to be very obedient to your Guru. And I know everybody, all of them must have also known their Gurus have been very, very strict people and extremely meticulous. But that's why they are there at such a young age. I mean, to see such improvisation, permutations, combinations of the music is something really out of the blue. You cannot think, because I told you I've heard so many people, but heard all of them after 45, 50 years of age. They were not young people like you. Despite that, you have not only done such justice to this music, but also what your forefathers have given you is a treasure. I tell you what your forefathers have given you. There is no need for you to make new tunes, nothing. There's so much is there, so much. And when you see there are 900 ragas, which are, they call prasiddha, means are known to people. And there are so many which are unknown also. Then these all bandishes as he's singing, every one of them, they were such geniuses that they created these beautiful ragas, and the ragas also, because they also created the ragas, not only that they created the themes and the bandish, but also they made it so much sort of one with the timing, one with the idea. Now, for example, this Yaman Rag, which is to be learned first, is the Sri Ganesha of music. So first thing is to respect your Guru. And this is how they have made all the bandishes. Very deep people. They are not cheap. They were not for any sort of show, or they were not for any sort of money or power or anything. Very, very highly qualified. I met few of them. Alauddin Khan Sahab also I met. You see, they are very different people. And they had no interest in money or anything, but they were sort of, you see, God has created them to create music. Special people, absolutely. And very loving, very kind, and extremely also very hot-tempered with their disciples, and was very strict with them. But the disciples had to agree and had to accept what they are saying, because they were, like you are seeking truth, they were seeking the mastery in music. So all the people had to be very obedient, careful, and I was myself surprised that in the Yaman Raga, they have talked of the Guru, because it's the first Raga to be sung, first of all, before learning any other Raga. First you learn Yaman. And it is a Raga of today, because today we are celebrating Sri Ganesha's birthday. So it's all very timely, because you have done justice to Marwa and to Yaman Raga. We are all thankful to you, and always try to understand that there is some sort of a drama that takes place, and that explains many things. You see, all these coincidences are done by this divine power. So it's perfectly all right. We all enjoyed your music very much. We are all very thankful to you to give this tremendous joy. And I really felt Sri Ganesha is dancing in your hearts. That's how it is worked out. Because he is innocence, and he is the creator of the whole rhythm of the world. So also today they enjoyed your music very much more, I should say, and you also played very much in a more speed because of accompaniment of Sukhvinder Singh. You see, you must always have jod tod, you see. Yeah. You must have equally well paying tabla. Otherwise the enjoyment is not so much. You may get sometimes bored. But or every moment was enjoyable. So it was my idea that you should bring him. So सोने में सुहागा अच्छा चलो ठीक हुआ आज का सुमुहूर्त जिस वक्त श्री गणेश की ये हो रही है आप लोगों के लिए बड़ा आशीर्वादित होगा और एक विशेष रूप से समझना चाहिए कि संगीत को गणेश की कृपा में एक बड़ी इनोसेंस के साथ चलता है उसमें आदमी को और कोई विचार नहीं रहता और आज के बड़े शुभ मुहूर्त पे सारा कार्य हुआ है और जो पहले का नाटक हुआ वो ज़रूरी था उसके बगैर ना मारवा गाते न यमन गाते ये समझ लेना चाहिए लाइफ में बहुत सी कोइंसिडेंसेस आते हैं वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दे आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर अस एवरीथिंग इज फॉर अस and once we start realizing why these coincidences then you'll be amazed that it's all done very meticulously, very effectively and efficiently by this all-pervading divine power. So may God bless you. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Après les Polonais, on y va. Pendant les Polonais.